Sophia. Hey, sweetie. Say hey, sweetie. Hi. How's my baby girl? Let's see. Can we get the face? Are you picking your nose? Says, Mom, quit videotaping me. That's all you ever do. It's raining outside, isn't it? I don't think you've ever seen rain before. Says it's after our nap and we're about to eat. And I am being a little angel. Looking at the rain. Listening to the rain. Yep, lying on Grandma's blanket. What's out there? Goo. Okay. Hey, sweet girl. Say hey, sweet girl. Hi. You say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Say hi to Papa? Ah, there's that baby face. Okay, time for lunch.